Massmart ingabanikazi bezingxangxathela zezitolo ezibandakanya igame, imakro kanye nebuilders warehouse. Inyunyana iSACCAWU ithi iningi labasebenzi balenkampani bangamalunga ayo kanti na kanjani bazowalaxaza phansi amathuluzi ngolesihlanu ngenxa yemiholo.
The strike will commence this Friday, the 19th, in the form of withdrawal of labor and pickets at various stores throughout the country. Picketing will continue up until the 26th. On the 26th, we will have a national marches in various provinces. That is on Friday. The Free State March will take place on the 25th. But we'll hand over a memorandum of demands to Massmart management, which highlights the areas in dispute and the desired settlement.
Lenyunyana ithi izocela nomphakathi ukuthi uyixhase ngokuthi ungathengi ezitolo zakwaMassmart ukusukela ngesonto elizayo.
We are also mobilizing for a consumer boycott of all Massmart stores by the general public. We are targeting the 22nd, which is Monday next week, for the commencement of the consumer boycott.
Abaphathi bakwaMassmart basola iSACCAWU bathi izama ukwesabisa abasebenzi abangahambisani nesiteleka. iSACCAWU iyaziphika lezo zinsolo. iMassmart ithi izoqasha abasebenzi abayitoho abanesipiliyoni somsebenzi wayo uqinisekisa ukuthi umsebenzi awuthikamezeki ngenxa yesiteleka. Kodwa iSACCAWU ithi lokho ngeke kusebenze ngoba ngisho nabasebenzi abayitoho bangamalunga ayo nabo bazobetelekile. Akwaziwa iyoza lankomoni. Mbongeni Muthwa, SABC eGoli.